Yoga begins with stilling the fluctuations of the mind or the patternings of consciousness, rather than trying something really hard like enlightening ignorance or taming the ego or removing attachments, aversions, and fear. First things first, remember who you are. Begin to still the fluctuations and stop conforming to or identifying with the patterns. Stop believing your thoughts. Stop conforming to sensations and identifying with feelings and energy. Begin with a steady, easy seat. That will be your mountain, rooting down and rising up. Observe the breath, the wind that surrounds and moves through the mountain. Observe the sky of the mind, where clouds of thought are passing by. Mountain, wind, sky. All three embody these fluctuations of consciousness: body, breath, and mind. Feel the mountain of your body. Observe its physical sensations. Know you are not your physical experience. Feel the wind, your breath, and the air all around you. Observe that it is moving into and out of your body, preferably through your nostrils. Observe your mind and notice all the thoughts, memories, beliefs, and fantasies moving through your mind. Imagine that these thoughts are like clouds floating past on the sky of your mind. Again, bring your attention to the physical sensations of your body. Feel the mountain. Again, bring your awareness to the breath, moving in from the air around you, moving back out into the air around you. And again, bring your awareness to the thoughts moving across the sky of your mind. Now notice the place from which you are observing the fluctuations of the mind, the patternings of consciousness that you are watching. See if you might rest in that place where the witness resides. And continue with your meditation for as long as you have time, or whenever you have another time. Feeling your body as the mountain, the physical sensations, and the emotions often held in the body. Observing the breath as the wind, moving into you and all around you. And observe your mind as the sky, and your thoughts as clouds drifting by. And keep returning to the mountain of your body, the wind of your breath, the sky of your mind. Return and remember who you are.